Hi there, I'm Joris. Today, let's take a closer look at the DBJourney wallet and passport holder. First of all, the packaging is quite impressive, just like all the other DBJourney packages I received. These two items share a matching design and are made to keep your most valuable belongings organized and secure during your travels. The materials for these items feel soft but sturdy. So, here's the inside of the DB passport holder. You can store some cash, coins, your passport and one card. There's a pocket designed for holding your plane tickets, which is quite comfortable during your travels. Moving on to the wallet, you will find a small pocket for coins, 4 card slots on the inside and 1 on the back side. Personally, what I preferred a few more card slots. However, card holder on the outside is incredibly handy for quick access to your most used card. The passport holder also features a coin pocket. In addition to the dedicated passport holder, there's a card holder where I placed my credit card, a pen holder and a spot to stash some cash. Thank you for joining me as I unboxed and explored the DB wallet and passport holder.